also was working on my fuel pressure sensor for the FuelTech, and I do have a fuel pressure gauge on here, but figured might as well have one, a sensor for the FuelTech as well. So I want to keep this one on the top right here, and there's another port right there. So that was pretty fun. Of course, I had that black anodized aluminum thing, and that's what's left of that port or plug. So now I can just go ahead and put this thing back together. So yep, I'll just go ahead and do that real quick. Let you guys see that. Some thread sealant. This is Permatex number 59T35. Seems to work pretty good for everything. Let's use a little bit there. I've never had any problem with it. again. Today we're going to try get the shifter out and also the heater core on my Chevelle and see where we go. See how far I get. I'll record most of this. Got my brother here too, Carlos. All right, he's going to help me out. Here we go. Get the shifter and everything out because I'm going to go ahead and replace the carpet while I'm at it. So to get the heater core out, I do have in my glove box all my relays and a panel I'll have to take out. So that'll be what I'm working on next, is getting that panel out with relays, and then I'll be able to get that heater core out. All right, here we go. Jeez. At least I've done this enough times where most of this stuff is easy. I think. There we go. Let's see. There's that. Here. Go box door. Alright. Let's see. Disconnect a couple of these wires here. I think everything else is disconnected, so should be good to go. Back inside the car to take off this coil right here. All right, I'm not sure if you can see, but those coil bolts they're up there somewhere. Let's see if I can get them out. There's one. There's two. All right, that wasn't too bad. But there they go, out. All right, time to get this heater core out. At least try to. I wonder if I didn't. This. I didn't miss anything. There we go. Nice. I think that's it right there. See if I can pull it up. All right, that's it for today. Next time I'm out here, I'll be working on the coils and mocking those up on the valve covers. And if I have enough time, I'll pull out the wire harness and start mocking that up. See you next time.